Thank you so much. I'm your brother, this regret. Why do we have global outrage against the coup that took place in Gabon? You see, the international community should contribute to deepen democracy. They will say nothing against civilian coup, which men perpetrate by rigging election. They will say nothing against corruption in government, as long as those leaders are looting the treasury and investing, dumping the stolen wealth in their own economy, to develop their own economy. America will say nothing. Europe will say nothing. A family will rule a country for over 50 years. America will say nothing. The British government will say nothing. The French government will say, the international community will say nothing. But when there is an intervention to restore order, to stop this madness, there will be global outrage. What we have in Africa is not democracy. It's not government of the people. It's not by the people, and it's not for the people. But this evil is carried on, and the international community encourage it. We need to deepen democracy, and that will be made possible through the rule of law. That is the path to go. Let the international community support that effort, and not for them to cry out against military intervention. Civilian coup, which men perpetrate by election rigging, is worse than military coup. A word is enough for the wise.